Most Facebook advertisers are still running campaigns with strategies that worked a couple of years ago, but today they just don't deliver anymore. CPM are rising, attribution is messy, and worst of all, ad fatigue is killing your ROAS. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Facebook ads playbook for 2025, the exact framework that top advertisers are using right now to drive results. And I'll also show you a shortcut to solving the biggest challenge of all, producing enough high-quality creatives to keep scaling profitably. Let's start with campaign structure. The old way was dozens of campaigns, segmented audiences, and endless manual tweaking. That no longer works. Today, the most effective advertisers are running Advantage Plus campaigns as their default. Why? Because fewer campaigns equals consolidated data. That means Meta's AI learns faster, optimizes better, and wastes less of your budget. Sure, you might break things out by product line or region, but for most advertisers, less is more. One well-structured Advantage Plus campaign often outperforms 5 over-segmented campaigns. Let Meta do the heavy lifting. Your job is to feed it the right inputs. Now, the creative strategy. And that brings us to the biggest lever in 2025, your creatives. Targeting tricks won't save you anymore. The difference between a winning account and a failing one is the volume and quality of ads you put out. Today's ad landscape is ruled by scroll-stopping visuals, super engaging videos, and striking static images. They work because they grab attention in seconds. But here's the catch. No matter how good they are, they all fade out sooner than you think. Creative fatigue sets in fast. So what's the answer? Volume and variation. The problem? Most advertisers can't keep up. Hiring influencers, editors, and designers for endless variations is expensive and slow. This is exactly where SodaMarketing AI comes in. With SodaMarketing AI, you can generate dozens of on-brand variations, image ads, video ads, even full creative shoots in minutes. No designers, no video editors, just endless scroll-stopping creatives on demand. And it's super easy. You can create a full set of ads for any product or service in minutes. Let me show you how. Head over to SodaMarketing.ai or click the link in description. Click Create New. Select On-Brand Designed Ads. Then click Create Brand to add your brand info, your brand name, industry, country, and upload your brand logo. Next, I need to create an ad profile for my product. This is done only once, and from then on, I can generate unlimited ads and creatives for this product. Click Add Product, enter the product name, upload some of your product photos, then click Train Product Model. Now, select the size of the ads you want from here. Next, choose the content tone and the language. Optionally, you can add any custom message you'd like to include in your ad. Then click Generate, and boom. Here, I have 2 ads with 6 variations each. As you can see, my brand logo and color identity are embedded perfectly into all my ads. I also get a ready-made caption with each ad. Everything is 100% launch ready. And if I want video ads, easy. I can convert any design into a video instantly. Click Convert to Video. Pick one of the quick options for video concepts or type in your own idea. Click Next, then Generate. And here you go. In minutes, I've got this scroll-stopping video ad. Not only that, these ads are fully editable down to the layer level. If I want to tweak anything, I just click Customize, choose the editor, and from here, I can make any changes with simple drag and drop. Now, let's see what else we can do with SodaMarketing AI. Let's create some creatives for this product. And by creatives, we mean photo shoots and video shoots that are tailored to your product's nature and brand audience. To do this, I'll click again on Create New. Then this time, I'll select Creatives. Next, I'll pick the brand from here and then select the ad profile for the product, exactly like we did before. Click on Start Creating. And from here, I can create stunning photo and video creatives for my product. First, select the size of the photo shoot you want from here. Now you'll see multiple options: Quick, Prompting, Reimagine, and Advanced. Let's start with the quick keyword. For example, I'll choose natural outdoor background. This will place my product photo in a natural outdoor environment that highlights its features. Then click Generate, and here we go. A stunning scroll-stopping photo shoot for my product that I can use in my ads or for daily social media posting as well. And not only that, I can instantly convert this into a video with ease. Just click Convert to Video, then click on AI Suggest Concept. So SodaMarketing AI will generate a stunning, trendy idea for the video. Click Next, then Generate. And once again, we have a scroll-stopping video shoot for the product. Now let's try the Reimagine feature. From here, I can make an ad or photo shoot for my product that looks similar to any winning ad I've seen online. As an example, I'll go over to Pinterest and type in the search, supplements ads. Here's one I like, looks very creative. I'll simply download the image ad, then go back to the SodaMarketing AI dashboard and drag the reference photo here. Now just click Generate, and here we go. We now have a stunning photo shoot that looks very similar to the reference ad, but with my product in it. And yes, of course, I can also convert this into a video instantly. Budget and scaling. When you're testing something new, start small. Only scale once you've got a profitable ROAS. But here's the key. Don't scale budgets without scaling creatives. If you try to 10 times your ad spend with the same 1 or 2 creatives, performance will collapse. As you increase spend, you need fresh creatives to spread the load and reach new audiences. Think of your creative library as your fuel tank. The bigger the budget, the more fuel you need. Data and attribution. AI is only as strong as the data you feed it. That means Pixel plus Conversions API both installed, uploading customer lists and offline events, making sure every conversion is tracked and fed back accurately. Even a 5% improvement in data accuracy can deliver a 20 to 30% increase in ROAS. High-spending advertisers obsess over this, and so should you. Optimization and big picture. When it comes to optimization, don't chase vanity metrics. CTR doesn't pay the bills. Focus on cost per conversion and ROAS, and be careful turning off ads too quickly. Meta often uses multiple ads in a funnel structure inside the same ad set. An ad that looks bad in isolation may actually be feeding the conversion ad. If Meta is still spending on it, leave it on. If spend drops to 0, replace it with a fresh creative. And remember, the biggest winners don't just push buttons better. They have stronger offers, better brands, and smarter creative strategies. So, to recap, simplify your campaigns with Advantage Plus. Focus on creative volume and variation. Scale budgets and creatives together. Obsess over data accuracy. Optimize for real outcomes, not vanity metrics. And if you want to shortcut the hardest part, producing enough scroll-stopping ads to fuel your campaigns, try SodaMarketing AI. It helps you generate endless on-brand image ads, video ads, and creative shoots in minutes, so you can scale faster without burning money on creative bottlenecks. Check it out at SodaMarketing AI or click the link in description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.